been an amazing month. In this holy period of Shravan Mas, the month where we worship and we pray to Bhagwan Shankar, we have had so many auspicious festivities, so many auspicious holy things happening in this entire month. We've had Santosi Das Jayanti in this auspicious month, and today we are going to speak a little bit about Raksha Bandhan, which is also coming on the Purnima of Shravan month. So Raksha Bandhan, when we hear the term Raksha, we understand that it means protection. Bandhan means a knot. So it's a bond of protection, it's a knot of protection. But most of us would be familiar with the festival of Raksha Bandhan for siblings, between brothers and sisters. But this evening, Swamiji is going to shed some more light into the meaning of Raksha Bandhan. Swamiji, Raksha Bandhan has many great meanings. It's of great significance, it's of great importance. But can you shed some more light besides the relationship value of Raksha Bandhan? What is the significance of the social value, the spiritual value of Raksha Bandhan?
Raksha Bandhan, Raksha means security and protections. How will we secure? So for the security, Bandhan, knot are the tight. When we are tied to each other, unite to each other, so we'll be secure and protected. Raksha means protection. In our traditions, that is great tradition. First, I am taking the family values of this festivity, this celebration. This festival is between sister and brother's love, that is family ground. This sister day, a brother day, sister day mostly, a brother sister day, that is popular with this name, brother sister day. In any community, in any tradition of this world civilization, this day is not popular. Other, my sister is my goddess, my brother is my god, and both we born here to protect to each other, help to assist to each other. That is a virginal, fundamental thinking behind this festival and celebration of Raksha Bandhan. That is a family values. All brother going for sutra. Raksha means one thread, and the pure thread, holy thread. Two places thread is very important. One Pandit using the Janeu, that is the holy thread. Second thread by brother, between brother and sister, coming in the hand. That is the two places. Thread is a very, very holy. That is a Raksha Bandhan. That is your Yaggopavita Sutram. So, my dear, that is a family value. Second, social values. Who is a Banaprasthi, that period, old period, Banaprasthi, first is a Brahmacharya ashram, second Grihastha ashram, and Banaprastha ashram. When taking the Banaprasthi, it was a duty to go to door to door in the whole village, whole city, to help who need your help. Food, cloth, shelter, and then they are weeping, wipe out their tears, they want to help, fell down, sleep, take his hand, stood up, help, assist, and Raksha, protect them. Who need your help, need of the material world, help them. That was also Raksha Bandhan. That time village to all the after 60 years, people taking the Banaprastha, leaving the home, leaving the out of home, who need the help, they are going their house and giving the help them. That is a social values of Raksha Bandhan. Third was national values. National values was in the country, you are leaving the country, patriotism and nationality, national feeling is necessary because you have the national flag and national anthem. So how to protect the nations, that was duty. Any neighbor country attack on you or creating the disturbing the peace of your country, so how to help, how to protect that for the welfare of the nation. If you are thinking and doing any work, that is the Rashtra Raksha, Desha Raksha, national Raksha, national protections, national security, do the work on the border or in the country, Country is suffering, no rain, drought, flood has come and no food and nothing. Then what is your duty to help to everybody? That is the national Raksha Bandhan. So that is the third. Fourth was Guru Raksha. When anybody is ignorance, not educated, and the Gyan Dan, give the Gyan, give the knowledge, give the teaching and train them. They will be aware, they will be awakened. They understand what is right and wrong. If this type of the knowledge you are distributing, that is a Guru Raksha Bandhan, Gyan Raksha Bandhan, and that thing. And the next is a whole nation. Whole nation is thinking for the making the atomic bomb, is spoiling the whole humanity, and then whole earth will be barren and will be dust. At that time, take the great movement, weapons, tank and terrorism, all these things is a great problem. And global warming and all this problem, make a list and protect this earth. Pure and beautiful planet is the Mother Earth planet. How to protect the whole world, Mother Earth, that is a Dharti Raksha Bandhan, Jagat Raksha Bandhan, Vishwa Raksha Bandhan. So protect. So personal Raksha Bandhan. And you go inside, realize your soul. Go enter in the Ananda Sarir. After the Annamaya Sarir to Ananda Sarir, protect yourself. Protect your mind. Mind is thinking wrong. Intellect not taking proper decision. So first protect yourself in the Mahabharata field. And then Duryodhana is telling, O Yudhishthira, I have taken everything. Your kingdom, your crown, your money, your respect, your regard. Now you are beggar. Go in forest, beg and eat. Laughing. He told, Yudhishthira told, and then embodiment of the righteousness, dharma, he answered, you have taken everything but didn't take my intellect. My intellect, my buddhi, my pragya is with me. I will make again kingdom. I will take the new king, new crown. I will make everything. I will be richest man in your life. Duryodhana, that intellect, it is your protections. Your protection, your power, arms, power. And he, Duryodhana, hey Arjun, I have taken everything. You have become weak. You have taken everything. But power of my arm with me and Gandiv, a bow and arrow in my hand, I can't be weak. So protect yourself with your power, by your power, and protect by your knowledge. That is a personal Raksha Bandhan. Protect yourself, Atma Raksha Bandhan. Protect your family, brother and sister Raksha Bandhan, Parivarik Raksha Bandhan. Protect your community to help, and that is our community Raksha Bandhan. Protect your nation, that is your Rashtra Raksha Bandhan, nation Raksha Bandhan. Protect the whole world, this earth, Mother Earth, that is a Dharti Raksha Bandhan. And distribute the knowledge, the Gyan Raksha Bandhan. Behind the Raksha Bandhan, Guru also tightening the Raksha Bandhan. Ki I am going, your ignorance will go, knowledge will come. That is Guru Raksha Bandhan. So are so many aspects of the Raksha Bandhan. Due to this Raksha Bandhan, we started in the guidance of the our Vyasji Maharaj. Vyasji Maharaj, on Guru Purnima day we celebrated. He started the many new tradition, Vyas tradition, Raksha Bandhan tradition, and Chaturmas Raksha Bandhan, Guru Parampara. And then Ved Path Raksha Bandhan. He started the many good tradition. So we are grateful to great soul. He was the incarnation of Vishnu. So we are praying, O Visala Buddhe, you have given the great knowledge. So we are protected up till now. On this Raksha Bandhan day, I am remembering all these great soul so stated. In the history, first of all, and in heaven celebrated. Heaven in presence of the Indra celebrated the Raksha Bandhan because the Brihaspati, Guru Brihaspati tied the Raksha Bandhan in hand of the Indra. You will be protected by the demons. So Raksha Bandhan. And then came on the earth, on the Gurukula. Guru was putting the Raksha Bandhan to all disciples. And then came again on this earth at the last Shankaracharya started the Raksha Bandhan. And now all our Hindu society, Sanatana Dharma, they are celebrating Raksha Bandhan. We are in this month, we are celebrating. So then this TV and radio station of Jagriti, on this stage, on this screen, I am giving the teaching of historical, mythological and spiritual aspect of the Raksha Bandhan. I am so happy to please all my who is looking and watching this TV and accept my congratulations and blessing of the Raksha Bandhan celebration. Yeah.